as the Ratchet Turns.
I'm Sean, and you're watching as Ratchet Turns here at Jim VanDykes Automotive and Tire Center. Let's see what's been going on.
Total Eclipsed 2017. Jim VanDykes Automotive Center. Jim's lost. We've even got our great customer, Ed Eisenberger, in here. Enjoying the view.
With the glasses on.
That looks like an eyeball. Yeah. Got a little bit of bite out of it. Was there stars in the... What is going on here? Oh, no, can't see nothing, right? Lift up your thingy. What do you think?
Got a nice 86 Chevy C10. Doing a service, checking it all over. Doing a service on the Ram 1500. Got Ron replacing the belt on the Mazda. Justin servicing the Honda. Brad getting ready to do some brake work on the Chevy truck. Servicing the AC system on the Super Duty. Ryan and Jim doing some suspension work on the Pontiac G5. Real mature, real mature. Got Ron installing a fresh set of Cooper tires on the Chevy Traverse. Got the Super Duty all back together, turbo installed, started up, about ready to go.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of As the Ratchet Turns here at Jim VanDykes Automotive and Tire Center. If you have any questions or if there's anything we can do for you, stop out or give us a call, 740-335-2000. Have a good weekend.